PCB buyers, do they need training? Hi, this is Greg with Gerbers and Grounds with another tip on better board buying. It never ceases to amaze me how OEM and EMS companies who tout their ISO certification, who train their employees on how to receive a circuit board, how to inspect a circuit board, how to assemble a circuit board, how to clean a circuit board, how to package a circuit board, but there's no training on how to buy a circuit board. The PCB represents 8 to 12% of the bill of materials. This unique custom-made item, the foundation of which your product relies on, there's no training on how to buy. And in the last 2 to 3 years, it's amazes me how many customers, buyers, program managers I've been to who don't know what they're buying, who don't realize I could have bought this smarter, who don't realize why did I pay too much for this board. It's always on-the-job training. We always did it this way. This is the vendor that we've always used. And they're amazed when I come to them and say, you know, you could have done it this way. I'm truly surprised at the amount of circuit board buyers and program managers out there who have yet to step foot into a manufacturing facility or understand what truly goes into the manufacture of a circuit board. I can't tell you the importance of training. That training will lead to money being saved on the production floor, found money that you can increase your bottom line by buying smarter. Also, a lot of buyers and program managers out there are quoting like crazy. And if they quote correctly, they can ensure that you win more jobs or don't lose as much when the board was quoted incorrectly from the very beginning. And what's really interesting is this training will give them the confidence to move to another vendor. Sometimes there's a paralysis I see with buyers. Great, that job's fine. We're not going to move it. It's okay. But they're paying too much money for it. And that's the shame, because they're not trained enough to know to confidently move a job from one vendor to another, thereby saving your company money. For assembly purposes, the printed circuit board is the first thing needed, but the last thing ordered. And a trained staff will ensure that you remain competitive and only buying what you need and at the right cost. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my page. If you post a comment or a question that we use in a video, we will send you a free copy of PCB Basics for Buyers and a Gerbers and Grounds coffee mug. This episode of Gerbers and Grounds is brought to you by EPTEC, the internationally recognized leader in solder training and IPC certification. Train, work smarter, succeed.